Hey, Polly here. If you've been asking yourself, what are the best side hustle in 2025? I've got you covered. Whether you're looking to add a few $100 a week or build something bigger, this video is for you. Let's explore 5 side hustles that are not only in demand, but also super beginner friendly. And the last one might just change everything for you. Hustle 1. Monetize short form videos. Let's start with something fun and fast moving, short form video content. Posting reels on Instagram or TikTok isn't just about going viral. Creators are earning through platforms, bonuses, brand deals, and product promotion. Even with small audience, you can earn around $50 to $200 a day once your content gains traction. Focus on trending sounds, helpful tips, or product demos, especially in niches like beauty, fitness, and lifestyle. Hustle 2. Get paid to write. Next up, writing articles optimized for SEO. There is a huge demand for writers who know how to structure content around specific keywords. You don't need to be a pro. Just write clearly and follow SEO basics. Freelancers in this space can easily make $100 to $300 per article. That's more than $300 a day if you do 1 to 2 assignments. Hustle free. Build email campaigns. Number 3, email marketing. Every business needs email that sell, from welcome emails to weekly promotion. Good emails equals money. If you know how to write catchy subject lines and helpful content, this is for you. Experienced freelancers in this space charge $50 to $150 per campaign. At automation, you're looking at $500 and more projects. Hustle 4, sell with social media. And now, managing content for small businesses. Running Instagram and TikTok pages is one of the best side hustle for creatives. Business owners often don't have time to post, but they need to stay visible. Even simple daily posts or product reels can earn you 300 to 700 months per client. Start with one business and build from there. Hustle 5. Run your own online store. Now, here's the most powerful one, running your own online store. With Sellvia, this isn't just a side hustle, it's a full-time income opportunity. And the best part? It brings together everything we've just talked about. Think about it. You can use videos to promote your products. Use SEO to bring in organic traffic. Send emails to engage customers. Post on social media to build your brand. It all fits together, and it all pays. Here's what we've seen. Experienced dropshippers can make $80,000 to $150,000 a year. Beginners, $1,000 to $10,000 and more per month is absolutely possible with the right tools. Here's what can boost your store to the next level. Sellvia social media marketing tool. Get ready to post content for your social platforms. Stay active, build trust, and drive free traffic. Email marketing tool. Plug and play email campaigns that convert. Set them up once and they will keep working in the background. Backlinks tool. Want to rank higher on Google? This tool gives you a list of platforms plus step-by-step guides to build powerful backlinks for better SEO. Instagram and TikTok store tool. Turn your social profiles into real storefronts. Let people shop your content directly. Product packs. Monthly bestsellers, high-ticket items, seasonal collections, all selected to maximize your profits. You don't have to guess what sells. Just pick what's working now. Let's recap. Here are 5 of the best side hustle for 2025. Creating a short form videos. Writing SEO content. Building email campaigns. Managing social media for others. And of course, running your own online store with Sellvia. With a store, you can tap into all of this at once and multiply your income. As you already have a Sellvia store, go check out the tools and product packs I mentioned. All the links are in the description. You've got everything you need to scale. Smash that like button, subscribe for more commerce tips, and let me know in the comments which hustle you're trying next. See you in the next video.